So here, this is my Twitter profile. I can discuss about that. You can upload any videos on Twitter. There is a option will be 2 minutes 20 seconds. How to increase my views? How to increase my website traffic? How to increase my brand awareness? How to increase my followers? The video promoting will be 4 ways. One is website clicks, video views. My brand will be promoted. Fourth will be increase my followers. Total 4 option will be promoted along with the video. I can upload video using with here. Add photo or video. Just go to the on one of the folder. You can upload by the SEO on page tutorial. They support how many minutes? 2 minutes 20 seconds. Now here. Click for done. Along with title. You're using with the hashtag. There are two important. What is that? Hashtag and @. Hashtag nothing but trending. Is there nothing but tagging. So now click. Tutorial by. Okay. Done. Now enter. So here. Adding the video will promote for the 4. What is that? Video views, website clicks, brand promotion, Twitter followers. So I'm going to the particular link. See here, this is my website. I can tweet here. Here, one is called my keyword will be promoted along with video. Second will be promote my keyword along with the video along with the website. Promote video along with my profile. Now click for tweet. Set your place. Hyderabad, India. Now click for tweet. Done. My video was uploaded here. It will take for the few minutes. Will done. Now go to the campaign. The option call is promote video views. First select your daily budget will be $10. Total budget will be $20. How many days? Only for 2 days. Start date only for weekends. 14th, 15th. It will start by morning 7 a.m. Finish by evening 7 p.m. Total discuss about the 2 days. Start by 7 a.m. Finish by 7 p.m. next day evening. Done. So daily budget is $10. Total will be 20. Each day $10. Click for next. Start time and end time. The specification already declared by the scheduled date time. Don't declare for year. So here promote video views are group. You click for RTS. Nothing but my website. Now add group budget. Each click. What's saying for dynamic. So what is that? Auto bid. I'm giving for only for $1. Nothing but out of 10. Each click will be how much? 1. Each ad. Now my bid type is automatically. Now click for next. Now select the tweet. So first I'm creating campaign. Second will be ad group. Third will be my tweet. So yeah, please write down tweet will be in videos, profile and tweet detail page and search results. Ad placements. Ad will be displayed by in the 2 options. Profiles and tweet detail page. Second will be search results. Now click for next. Select your target audience. Now all age group. Here location will be India. Language will be English. Add. Now done. Audience future. We can select by all peoples, not for the one. So here, along with my Twitter followers. We are adding with 4 options. What is that? First of all, behavior, demographics, location, language and technologies, and audience, future, behavior, interest, keyword. These all options search by where? Audience, future. Nothing but additional option, nothing but we can target along with my Twitter followers also. Now click for next. Now is the final one. Is it clear? The final setup. After that, launch campaign. They're going to a payment option. Payment will be called card number, your details. Very important from your this address. After the click for proceed to confirmation. Your ad approved by the within an hour. So if you go back, now click edit, access to your account. It is approved or not. How to check? If approved, this option call is running. Go to video ad manager. Scroll up. First call. Schedule. Why? It's not running. Give the schedule date. Is that tomorrow? Now is that today? Now is fixed. April 14th. Now will be 13th. Tomorrow start with 7 a.m. to end with April 15th, 7 p.m. This call total $20. Your impression and spending amount declared by the two options. Previous one we discussed about the website clicks. Now discuss about the video views. There is a 4 advantages. What is that? Video views will be increased by the website traffic, followers, our brand awareness. My company page, follower. Nothing but Twitter page, followers.